What is up, everybody? So today we are going to be doing a budget-friendly tie-dye video. The tie-dye kit cost me $12 from Walmart. The shoes cost me $5. So, under $20, you can tie-dye your shoes. And I got inspired to do this video because I have a pair of tie-dye Vans that are so busted. So it was time to make some more, but yeah. So this tie-dye kit comes with 12 different colors, the entire rainbow. They are powder and you have to go ahead and add the water to them. Just follow the instructions on your tie-dye kit when adding water to your bottle, but just know that the more water you put, the lighter the color will be, okay? So this tie-dye kit also came with gloves, it came with rubber bands, and it came with the instructions. So if you're new to this tie-dye thing, read the instructions. It's super duper important, okay? So next, these are the shoes that were only $5 from Walmart. They're from the Time and True collection. So right now you want to go ahead and remove any shoestrings, any stickers, anything that you do not want dyed, remove it. Because if you leave it, it's going to be dyed. And I want the shoestring to stay white, just like the sole, because I feel like a tie-dye shoe with white shoestrings and a white sole is super cute. So right now I'm just applying painter's tape. I'm using Scotch. You can use Duck, but Ducks does not stick, okay? So save yourself the time and just get Scotch's painter tape to protect the sole. So now I'm going ahead and I'm stuffing my shoe with a plastic grocery bag. You can use a t-shirt, you can use newspaper, you can use print paper. I'm using this grocery bags, and it's going to give the shoe some shape and also help prevent the dye from soaking all the way through the shoe. And next you want to go ahead and wet your entire shoe. I'm using a spray bottle of water to saturate my shoe. Make sure you saturate it. My instructions said to wash it, but for time's sake and because I'm lazy, I just decided to use a spray bottle of water. It works the same. Next you're going to want to go ahead and fill up your little tie-dye bottles and just start tie-dyeing your shoe in whatever pattern you want to do, whatever color you want to do. Do not be afraid to overlap the colors because it's going to help to give it more of the ombre look and not so much of the harsh lines. I actually want to apply more between the red and the pink because as you can see right here, it's like a really harsh line that does not look cute. All right, and try to keep your shoe flat, just like sitting flat on the surface, because if you tilt it and stuff, the dye, well, at least for this shoe, because the material was kind of crazy, the dye will run. So leave your shoe sitting flat on the surface. So next I'm taking a plastic grocery bag. You can use a shower cap, you can use a trash bag, you can just sit them outside in the sun. The heat just helps for the fabric, not the fabric, for the dye to soak into the fabric, for it to be a little more pigmented, and leave it for 6 to 8 hours as the instructions says, but I left mine longer for like 12 to 24 hours. So after that, you want to go ahead, throw your shoes into the washer on cold water, or you can rinse it off in a sink, but on cold water. And this is a finished product. They're super duper cute. I'm actually going to be selling these on my store. The link is in the bio, or just follow my Instagram if you want me to make you a pair, either Vans or a pair from Walmart. And these are the Vans I tried out a couple years ago. As you can see, they're busted. You see they got a hole in them, but I just like the Vans a lot better because of the material, because I didn't use a bunch of colors. I think it's a little more my style. So yeah, if you want me to make you a pair, or if you make a pair, just follow me on Instagram and tag me in your shoes. Bye.